Hi everyone, myself Praveen More. Since 15 years I am teaching mathematics, and many of the times students come to me facing the problem for ICSE board mathematics paper. They are not able to manage the time. So today we are going to talk about the time management. Basically, you people know that our paper is of ICSE board 2 hours 30 minutes. So how to manage the time? 80 marks paper and reading time is given 15 minutes. So whatever we want to apply the strategy, that we have to decide within this first 15 minutes. We know maths paper is been divided in two sections. Section 1 compulsory, 4 questions are there, and section B any 4 questions we have to solve. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From these 7 questions, we have to solve any 4 paper. Now we know that in this first 15 minutes, we have to decide which questions we are going to solve from section B. So most of the time we have seen that in first 15 minutes, we people waste our time in choosing or looking towards section A. But what I will suggest that within first 15 minutes, we will totally focus on the section B, and from that section B we will choose any 4 questions which we are comfortable, which we are able to solve 100%. So first of all, we will talk about 2 hours, how to divide the timing of both the section. Basically we will we will talk rough idea. It's not a perfect that this strategy will be applied to each and every student. Generally section A and section B we will divide within 2 hours. First section A 1 hour and section B second 1 hour. After choosing in 15 minutes 4 questions, writing time starts. So we are having writing time in our hand 2 hours 30 minutes. Within 2 hours we have to adjust in first hour we will solve section A. Now there is no compulsion that section A we have to solve first and then section B. It's up to us that which section we will prefer. But what we will suggest, as we are having experience with the previous batches, at section A you start with section A. In section A, question 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will divide 1 hour in section A. So as we divide 1 hour in 4 parts, so it will be 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So each question we can give 15 minutes. So 15, 15, 15, 15. In this way we can finish within 1 hour. Now we have to be flexible. It's not perfect that one question will take 15 minutes. Or some question may take more than 15 minutes. Some question may take less than 15 minutes. So we have to apply the strategy according to the given question. Now this 15 minutes we can divide further into 3 parts. As we know that each question we are having ABC, ABC. Means either 3-3-4 or 4-3-3 or 3-4-3, like this pattern. Means 3 marks. Second question 3 marks, 4 marks, 4, 3, 3, in this way. So if we will try to divide this 15 minutes, so each question we can take 5 minutes, 5 minutes and 5 minutes. So in this way we can apply this strategy to section A. So within near about 1 hour we can finish section A. It may take 10 to 15 minutes more. Second part, not to waste our time. If you are not getting any question, suppose question 3rd A, you tried it and you are not getting, once, twice you tried it, leave that space and then you can forward for the next question. In this way, section A, after section A, we will go towards section B. In section B, you have choose, suppose question 5th, question 7th, question 8th, question 9th, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions you have chosen. So this section, it may have this pattern 3-3-4 or it may have 6 plus 4 also. Sometimes they may ask 6 marks question, 4 marks question, or they may ask 5 plus 5 also. 5 marks question as well as this also 5 marks question. So like this the pattern may be, and question 7, this pattern may change, but we have to stick to the question number. Now if you are comfortable with 7, so after 5th directly you can start with the question 7, and then 8th and 9th. You can finish this section within 1 hour. So in this way, 1 hour this section, 2 hours we can finish section A, section B. Now what to do about these 30 minutes left? What we will suggest as a teacher, that this 15 minutes and this 15 minutes, either you can do extra question, and this is compulsory that you check your paper, recheck your paper. You can check within this 15 minutes your paper thoroughly. Checking means not to check just question first A, B, C, but you go through each and every step, which will save your silly mistakes as well as you can get marks in that. What our experience is that most of the students, if they are not checking the paper, they are losing their marks. For example, many other times we have seen that 3 plus 2, in hurry students are writing 6. So in rechecking the paper, they may realize that they have done this mistake and they can again resolve that question. And after checking the paper, first important thing, that paper has to be neat and clean. Your seat number has to be written in the proper way, as well as rough work. Now according to new rule ICSE, previously it was been allowed on the right hand side margin, but nowadays from last year they have compulsory made that rough work has to be done below the page where you are writing. You can write here rough work over here and rough work can be done here.